everyone. Good morning. My name is Sadhana and I'm in class 8. Today I am going to introduce about cells. Unicellular organisms made of single cell body. Multicellular organisms made of cells. Different groups of cells have particular cells and particular functions. All the living characters of living body are carried from the cells. Therefore, cells is called the structure and functional unit of life. There are hundreds of cells in our body, in our system called human. There are different types of cells present in human body. Cells present in bone are called osteocytes. Cells present in blood are called corpuscles. Cells present in muscles are called myocytes. And cells present in skin are called keratinocytes. And my other friends are going to show about the different types of cells. Ovum is the largest cell in human body. Its size is about 100 micron in diameter. It is produced by ovary in female reproductive organ.
The smallest cell in human body is sperm cell. The size of sperm is 10 million times smaller than of the ovum. Sperm has tail. Sperm eats the sperm insect.
Neurons are the nerve cells that stimulate our body to do different types of things such as eating, walking, thinking, etc. Cells present in blood are called corpuscles. There are three types of corpuscles. There are red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets.
The cell that lies within the substances of fully formed bone is called a such. It occupies the chamber called lacuna, which is contained in the calcified matrix of bone.